just completed your class 12th board examinations and you're still confused whether you're actually prepared for these upcoming August 2024 batch. You're having second thoughts like whether you should actually take a year drop for these sponsorship and written examinations. Basically, you're totally confused. So don't worry, I'm here to help you out. I clear it out for you. Hey guys, how are you all doing? Hope every one of you watching this video right now is doing good. Myself, Cadet Agneva Maiti, and I welcome you back to our YouTube channel. So firstly, I would like to tell you that if you have still not started preparing for these examinations, I totally understand you are busy with your board examinations. Don't worry, you still have sufficient time if you start preparing from today itself. Provided if you gather the right knowledge from the right people, or more specifically, the right mentors. Or if you have seniors or you're in touch with cadets who have cleared these examinations, these sponsorship examinations and IMUCT exam. Also, if you have access to the right material, like the proper specific topics in PCM, which are of high weightage, what all questions are actually asked in these written examinations and interviews. And also, if you have PYQs, that would be best. Now, this brings me to my next topic, which is actually, do you actually need to take a year drop or not? If you have personal reasons that you cannot prepare for this August 2024 batch and you have to take a year drop, then it is up to you. But in my opinion, if you are just scared that you won't be able to clear these examinations, you don't have sufficient time, don't worry. You start preparing from today itself. You do have sufficient amount of time. And being a dropper myself, to be very honest, taking a drop is not a very wise decision. I would recommend you to prepare very hard, stay focused, and you can surely clear these examinations in this year itself. Now, coming to the next part, which is, I would say, a bit on your advantage, like these drops, these examinations, these were all demerits of your lacking. But at the same time, I would also like to add some positive points here, which I believe would be very helpful for you, because you all have just recently passed your class 12th, so you might most probably be clear with all your 12th PCM basics. So that would work as a very advantageous point from your side, because all your PCM part is basically done. So you have to just, for the written examinations, you have to just focus on your general aptitude, reasoning and subjects like English, geography. And for interview, you have to just work on your English spoken skills and your non-technical part in geography. That's all, because your PCM is somewhat, in my opinion, in a good level for these examinations, because you have just passed your class 12. Lastly, I would say, if you start your preparation with a good amount of dedication, if you are actually determined to join this August 2024 batch, and you start with all your focus and you prepare very well and you put your whole devotion for your preparation, I believe you can surely get through all these examinations. And don't worry, as I've already mentioned, you still have sufficient amount of time. Apart from this, I would also say this is a recommendation from my side. Being a budding mariners alumni student myself, I would say we have various batches, Dominator batches, which are going on right now. These are basically crash courses from our budding mariners team. So if you are lacking in your preparation, you are still confused how to approach for these examinations, you don't have PYQs, you don't have mentors to guide you, I would really like to tell you about our Dominator batches. We have company specific preparations here. We have the right material, the revised material more specifically, including all the PYQs, the specific weightage topics, and we have n number of mentors at budding mariners and faculties too. We have faculties starting from IITians for PCM and sponsored cadets like myself for the company specific preparation too. So these Dominator batches, we offer 3+ hours, more than 3 hours of preparation every day. Because it is a crash course, we have very less limited time left for these examination. So we are providing you all with more than 3 hours of lectures every day. And if you are ready to get yourself enrolled in this whole procedure, and if you are still lacking in your preparation, I would totally recommend you to get yourself enrolled in these Dominator batches. So if you have any doubts regarding these Dominator batches or IMCET, sponsorship examinations, interviews, anything, what I'll do is I'll provide you with a link in the description box below. This is free of cost call assistance from our budding mariners team. You can fill the form and get in touch with our mentors. So that will be it from my side. Stay tuned for the next informative video. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for Imucet and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your mariner journey with us today.